how to have more than one wallpaper on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your lock screen and long press on that and tap on plus sign here. Now what you're gonna do is we're gonna create a photo shuffle with our wallpaper so that we can have more than one wallpaper. Now to do that, tap on photo shuffle here, and then on the bottom part you will see select photos manually. Click on that, and here it will lead you here to your gallery and basically choose the photos that you want to be added on your wallpaper. So let's say these photos here, and then tap on add on the upper right, and you can actually tap to view. You can actually edit it out. You can move them here or just zoom it there, depends on you. You can even change its filter. So on the bottom part again, you will see the three dots there. Click on that, and here you will see the shuffle frequency. It's either daily, hourly, or on lock. So every time, if you set it on lock, every time you lock your phone, it will change its wallpaper, or on tap. So whenever you tap your lock screen like this, it will change its wallpaper. So let's just set it there for tutorial purposes and tap on add on the upper right again and wait to it for it to be saved and tap on set as wallpaper pair. Now here we are now back to our wallpaper, right? Now what you're gonna do is to, if you tap on that, as you can see, this is our home page. Now if you change that one, our home screen will also be changed. So every time I tap on this, it will now change its wallpaper. And basically that is how to have more than one wallpaper on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.